Got a new car? Congratulations! Are you concerned about costly pitfalls of ownership? Don't worry. You can make your overall ownership experience enjoyable by taking advantage of this exciting package. We're talking about keeping your car looking newer longer, making it easier to care for, and putting you in a position to get a lot more back when selling or trading it in, using Xzilon protection. The appearance of your vehicle matters, especially when it comes time to trade it in. How does it look? Does the paint have fading, or is there loss of gloss? Are there chips in the windshield? Does the interior have tears or stains? Will we have to brighten the headlights due to discoloration and yellowing? Any of these items can result in a reduction of your trade-in value. Makes sense, right? Here are some highlights of this package. First, your interior gets an antimicrobial protection, which will kill all the existing bacteria and continue to eliminate it in the future. Next, your interior protection will create a barrier against stains. That means easier cleaning of the spills in your car, or you can simply call our professionals to handle it for you. This awesome product keeps your leather interior soft, protects it from cracking, and provides coverage in case of accidental ripping, tears, or punctures. And when our exterior protection is applied to your paint, your headlights, and your wheels, our nanotechnology allows the filling and sealing of the tiny imperfections in the manufacturer's paint job, protecting your car from fading, loss of gloss, and a lot more. So no need to wax your car every year, huh? Just get Xzilon protection now and keep your car looking newer for longer. Caring for it the right way.